Looking for the best Keurig coffee maker in the market?
Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the Keurig K-Express coffee maker. Let's explore why this might just be your next favorite kitchen companion. Hey there, coffee enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique. I'm your host, and today, we're unboxing and reviewing the Keurig K-Express coffee maker. First off, let's talk about convenience.
The Keurig K-Express offers hassle-free brewing with just the push of a button. Whether you're craving a quick cup of joe in the morning or a midday pick-me-up, this machine has got you covered. One of the standout features of the K-Express is its ability to brew 3 different cup sizes: 8, 10, or 12 ounces. So whether you prefer a bold espresso shot or a larger mug to fuel your day, the K-Express delivers.
Now, let's talk about flexibility.
With its 42-ounce removable water reservoir, you can brew up to 4 cups before needing to refill.
Plus, it's travel mug-friendly, accommodating cups up to 7.4 inches tall.
And here's a bonus for the environmentally conscious. The K-Express comes with an auto-off feature that turns off the machine 5 minutes after the last brew, helping to save energy. To sum it up, the Keurig K-Express coffee maker combines convenience, flexibility, and energy efficiency into one sleek package. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or just need your daily caffeine fix, this machine ticks all the boxes.
And that wraps up our review of the Keurig K-Express coffee maker. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy brewing!